Welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel School Studies. So here is your answer. You will get daily one video related to different topic and subject such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science, which will help you to understand and learn more. Today we will see a video related to social science subject. In that today's topic is GSEB Solution for class 7 social science chapter 2 motions of the earth. Before starting with the textbook exercise, let's read things to know. The line that separates the lighter from the darker half of the earth and joins the two poles is called the circle of illumination. That is Prakash Vartu. Uttarayan or Makar Sankranti. The vertical rays of the sun starts falling to the north of the equator from 22nd December onwards. So Uttarayan actually falls on 22nd December and not on 14th January. Usually the sun enters the zodiac sign of Capricorn on 14th January and so it is called Makar Sankranti. Solstice. From 22nd June onwards, the vertical rays of the sun start moving from the Tropic of Cancer towards the south of the equator. This is known as solstice. Revolution. This is the Earth's orbit around the sun. One complete revolution takes about 365 and 1/4 days. Celsius is a unit of measurement of temperature. It is named after the Swedish astronomer Andreas Celsius that from 1701 to 1744. Circle of illumination, the line that separates the lighted from the darker half of the earth and joins the two poles is called the circle of illumination. Now let's do the textbook exercise. First question, name the two main motions of the earth. The earth usually have motions rotation and motion revolution. Rotation, when earth rotates on its axis, called rotation. Revolution, when earth revolution around the sun, it's called revolution. Second question, what will happen if the earth does not revolve around the sun? If the earth does not revolve around the sun, there was no such thing as a change of seasons on earth. The part of the earth that is facing the sun is always summer, and the part of the earth that was opposite the sun was always cold. We could not enjoy the joy of different festivals in different seasons. There is a test match between India and West Indies in the West Indies. When will you watch the match? During the day or at night? If there is a test match between India and West Indies in the West Indies, the first thing we need to notice is the time of match because the time intervals between West Indies and India is about 12 hours. In India, when the night is in the West Indies, then day. So it depends on selecting the time. Next, what is the length and direction of our shadow in the morning, afternoon and evening? So this is the table. We have to complete that. So morning 8 a.m. west, long shadow. Then afternoon 12 noon north, that is no shadow. Evening 5 p.m. east, that is long. So direction of shadow is always opposite to that of the source of light. Shadow is shortest at 12 noon. It is length at every early morning and evening. At the time of sunrise, If a man stands facing the east, then this shadow will be towards the west. At the time of sunset, always shadow of object will be in the east. 12 noon on shadow because no shadow because the sun rays are vertical. Next, the sun is never overhead in London and there is sunlight till 8 o'clock in the evening, whereas the sun is overhead in Singapore. Why? So, Tropic of Cancer as equator does not pass through, so the sun rays are never overhead in London in Singapore. It is overhead because equator passes through it. So, this was chapter 2 GSEB solution of standard 7 social science. I hope you have understood with the question answers. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.